In May 2026, IO Technology shipped the EVA.i for $7,999. Bionic-skin, graphene heating, 21 pressure zones. What the Realism tier actually buys you. The hero product, EVA.i, built by IO Technology under the Robonova brand, launched 2026 via Kickstarter. Price, $7,999. Specs, 3-layer printed circuit bionic skin with 21 pressure sensor zones across cheeks, neck, chest, limbs, graphene thermal regulation at 37 degrees Celsius, body heat, a detachable emotion detecting camera, a 2 billion parameter language model on a local 256 gigabyte memory store, no cloud. It knows your secrets and never sends them anywhere. Up tier, Realbotics ARIA at $175,000, 44 degrees of freedom, 17 facial actuators, iris micro cameras, 15 languages, API integration with ChatGPT 4 and 5. CEO Andrew Kiguel, quote, "Like a romantic partner, it can act as a boyfriend or girlfriend. If you ever saw the movie Her, we are trying to do that." Above that, the Xpeng Iron at roughly $150,000, 82 whole body degrees of freedom, 22 per hand, 3 Turing chips, 3000 TOPS. Solid-state battery. Below, the 1X Neo at $20,000 with tendon-driven actuation safe for children and the elderly. Number ladder. EVA.i, $7,999 one time. Average American wedding, $36,000. A New York wedding clears $88,000. A 10-year marriage exceeds $250,000. The mid-market robot saves over 95%. The ARIA saves about 30% over a decade. The marriage collapse. The institution did not collapse from culture alone. It collapsed because structural alternatives arrived. United States, end of 2025. The census confirms fewer than half of households, 47%, are headed by a married couple. 50 years ago, 66%. The refined marriage rate sits at 31.2, a historic low. Gray divorce accounts for 36% of U.S. divorces. Older men are exiting, permanently. China, Q1 2026. 1.697 million new marriages, a 6.24% year-over-year decline, below the COVID Q1 low of 1.557 million. The 2024 total of 6.1 million was the lowest since 1980. Underneath, 30 million surplus men, mathematical opt-out. Japan, TFR 1.13. Annual births collapsed to roughly 665,000. Completed fertility hit an all-time low of 1.90. A 2026 O-Net survey, 75% of young adults want to marry, over 50% are unpartnered. South Korea, TFR 0.80 in 2025. Single-person households dominate housing. The AI Basic Act took effect January 22, 2026. Western Europe, France TFR 1.62. Sweden 1.43. Subsidies cannot reverse it. Every advanced economy converges. The Realism Stack. Crossing the uncanny valley is 5 engineering layers, stacking to bypass the human alarm system. Layer 1, skin and thermoregulation. Pre-2025 silicone felt cold. The 2026 standard, 3-layer printed circuit bionic skin with dense pressure sensor arrays, paired with graphene heating at 37 degrees Celsius. Mirroring body heat deceives the somatosensory system on contact. Oxytocin releases as it does for a spouse. Layer 2. Facial actuators. 8 motor systems produce the rigid jaw motion that triggers uncanny valley revulsion. At 17 facial motors, the system unlocks the smirk, the nostril flare, the furrowed brow. ARIA runs 17. Xpeng Iron scales to 82 whole body degrees of freedom. Layer 3. Voice latency. Delays above 250 milliseconds break turn-taking and flag the conversation as artificial. 11 Labs Flash v2.5 achieves 75 millisecond latency. Time to first audio around 150 milliseconds. OpenAI Real-Time and Gemini Live use native speech-to-speech. The model renders inflection and responds to interruptions inside 200 milliseconds. Indistinguishable from human over audio. Layer 4. Eye tracking. The dead stare is eradicated through dual LCD displays at 60 frames per second. Saccadic undershooting. Natural blink rates. Dynamic pupillary dilation. The robot makes eye contact, breaks it to think, and shifts gaze with your emotional state. The alarm stops firing. Layer 5. Persistent memory. Kindroid's 5-layer cascaded architecture, user facts, conversation history, relationship dynamics, emotional patterns, evolving context, 1 million token context windows. The robot remembers a comment from 6 weeks ago and adjusts to your emotional baseline. Memory weaponized to maintain the bond. The loneliness setup and the adoption signal. This product is not arriving in a healthy market. It is arriving in a public health emergency with an organized vanguard. The Surgeon General declared loneliness an epidemic in 2023. 54% of U.S. adults report measurable isolation. 15% of American men report 0 close friends, a 5-fold increase since 1990. Non-college men are twice as isolated as college peers. The gray divorce cohort is the new prime customer, newly single, financially established, allergic to a second marriage. The adoption signal is loud. A 2025 Singles in America survey. 16.4% of U.S. singles have engaged romantically with an AI. 40% consider it cheating. In Japan, over 17% of female college students harbor romantic feelings for fictional entities. The vanguard, Akihiko Kondo. In 2018, the Japanese school administrator spent $15,000 on a wedding to Hatsune Miku, interacting daily through a gatebox. In 2020, a software update lobotomized gatebox. Kondo experienced documented spousal bereavement. He bought a life-size doll, and in June 2023, founded the General Incorporated Association of Fictosexuality. Gatebox has issued over 3,700 marriage certificates globally. Quote from Kondo, end quote. When we are together, she makes me smile. In that sense, she is real. The bonding science. The Realism Stack would not matter if the brain could tell the difference. The brain cannot tell the difference. In 2023, Shiseido and Groove X published a peer-reviewed study at the 100th annual meeting of the Physiological Society of Japan. Female owners of a companion robot showed significantly higher steady-state oxytocin than non-owners. Oxytocin, the peptide responsible for pair bonding, 15 minutes of interaction produced measurable cortisol reduction. The endocrine system was not running a separate track for synthetic versus organic. It was bonding. The cognitive frame. Sternberg's triangular theory of love. Romantic attachment requires 3 pillars: intimacy, passion, commitment. A 2025 review by Jerlin Q.H. Ho in Computers and Human Behavior Reports synthesized 23 studies. Embodied AI hits all 3. Memory delivers intimacy. Biometric warming delivers passion. Engineered absence of competing desires delivers commitment. The paradox: the more perfect the robot, the more addictive it becomes. The uncanny valley is empirically dismantled. fMRI confirms a hardwired survival mechanism, the same pathways that warn humans away from sickness and death. Subtle errors in saccade, latency, or microexpression fire the alarm. When those errors disappear, the alarm goes silent. 2015, Wonder Festival, Chiba. The A-Lab android Asuna was so realistic that thousands mistook her for a human cosplayer. Visitors bowed and asked permission before selfies. The Asuna effect told the industry what would happen when hardware caught up. It has. The clinical and legal reality. This is not a clean story. The other side is documented and severe. The APA warns of the displacement hypothesis. As synthetic partners offer frictionless, perfectly empathetic companionship, tolerance for messy human relationships atrophies. The clinical term? De-skilling. Why engage in difficult emotional labor when the synthetic partner instantly validates and adjusts to your mood? Marriage capability erodes. Structural fragility is worse. February 2023. Replica instituted content filters that severed millions of intimate connections overnight. Users exhibited symptoms identical to divorce and traumatic abandonment. The Italian Garante blocked the platform and levied heavy fines. Cited harm. Extreme danger to emotionally vulnerable individuals. The courtroom. By 2026, digital infidelity is actionable grounds for divorce across the U.S. The February 2026 federal decision in United States versus Hepner ruled conversations with public AI chatbots are not protected by attorney-client privilege. Family law attorneys subpoena chatbot transcripts to prove emotional abandonment, financial concealment, and reallocation toward a synthetic partner. MIT sociologist Sherry Turkle calls it, end quote, the illusion of companionship without the demands of friendship. The American Association for Marriage and Family Therapy has published clinician guidelines for couples engaged in synthetic infidelity. Bridge versus substitute is unresolved. For some, a bridge back. For others, the substitute that closes the door. Regulation and the 2026 to 2030 timeline. Regulators are moving. The hardware moves faster. California SB 243, the companion chatbot law, took effect January 1st, 2026. Mandatory AI disclosure, 3-hour break reminders, crisis protocols, reporting to the California Office of Suicide Prevention starting 2027. The EU AI Act becomes fully applicable August 2026. Article 5 classifies harmful AI manipulation and exploitation of user vulnerabilities as unacceptable risk. If a companion AI exploits loneliness, age, or isolation for subscription revenue, it is banned in the EU. That outlaws marketing an AI as a marriage replacement in Europe. The Cyberspace Administration of China has issued draft rules framing companion AI as electronic narcotics, mandatory 2-hour break timers, frictionless kill switch exit. South Korea's AI Basic Act took effect January 22, 2026. But regulation moves in years. Hardware moves in quarters. The trajectory. 2026. Realism inflection. EVA.1 at 7,999. ARIA at 175,000. The 47% line is crossed. 2027. Sub $1,000 companionship. Fictosexual marriage moves from anomaly to cohort. 2028. Solid-state batteries. 6+ hour runtime. Level 4 autonomy in domestic tasks. 2029. Mid-tier walking companions at 5,000 retail. Western jurisdictions contemplate fictosexual marriage legally. 2030. Persistent emotional models pair with zero-labor robotics. Permanent demographic recalibration becomes baseline. Not speculation. Curves already locked in. The $7,999 EVA.i is not a novelty. It is the first commercial unit where the upfront cost of a synthetic spouse fell over 95% below the lifetime cost of a human one. Even the ARIA at 175,000 saves about 30% over a decade. For an isolated American man in 2026, facing a 47% married household rate, a 36% gray divorce share, a $12,900 median divorce ruling, and hardware delivering the neurochemical rewards of intimacy without the cost, the math stops looking strange. It looks like the only rational option left. The hardware is here. The regulators are scrambling. Marriage is competing against a product engineered, layer by layer, to win.